everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I was just out here hanging out in the factory. Actually, I was given a factory tour earlier today, and I happened to stumble across the perfect combination for this backsplash that I've been trying to match. This backsplash is new for us since January, and I've been trying to find the right combination, and I couldn't figure it out. Well, then I saw this house today. So we're going to talk a little bit about the colors, mostly about the colors, and then the floor plan as well. Here is the primary bedroom. We've got urban oak on the cabinets, black cabinet pulls. We've got the trimmed out mirrors here. And also, this is something I've never seen, a black lever for a handle. Over the commode, urban oak again, drama marble on the countertop. And look at this backsplash. I couldn't figure out what to match it with, but here it is. Love those trimmed out mirrors. Hi, everybody. Let's go over to the kitchen area because that's the best part. So this is a very unusual floor plan, and all of the details will be in the description. I'm not in front of my computer, so I don't have any of that information in front of me. But look at this. Hey, va va voom. There's the combination for this backsplash. So this backsplash looks like a stone. It's got some tans and browns and stuff like that, with drama marble on the countertop, crescent edging here with the urban oak. Let me step back. Look at that. I just love this color. The browns are in, guys. The earthy tones, whites and grays, are really starting to sell less and less of that. So we've got lots of counter space here because the refrigerator is not in the kitchen. It's in the other room, and we're going to talk about that in a second. But we've got drawers over doors. Definitely a good addition to any kitchen because you get all that extra storage. We've got the extra large island here, gas stove, microwave over the stove. If you're tall enough, I recommend it. You want to do it. There's also the option to put the microwave somewhere down here. Now, coming in, there's your refrigerator. Coming into the pantry. Very large pantry with lots of cabinet space. We've got a 30-36 there, a 30-36 there, another one down there. So lots of light coming in here. And storage. And also, here's the cool part. It's attached to your laundry area. So, and right across the street, where the other half of the home is, we always send the homes down the line together, will be the primary bedroom. So if you were to be going through the laundry area, you would walk straight into your bedroom. So you get up for your midnight snack, come right through the laundry area, hit the refrigerator nice and quiet so nobody can hear you, and then on your way back, drop off your laundry and head back to bed. Coming down to the other end of the home, that's the way I would do it anyways. I don't know how your guys' lifestyles are, but that would be me. Here we go. This is an activity room. And so across the way here, when you would be coming out into your wide open floor plan, you would have a living room over there. Here's your side entrance. Going out to your garage or going out to the patio. Here we've got bath 2. We're still under construction, so I know you guys like to see videos. You want to see them pretty with the furniture and stuff, but hey, I give it to you how it looks, how we're building it. I am the factory here at Champion Homes, so but that color combination. Ooh la la. I'm so stoked I finally figured it out. So here's a little view of the factory. Come see me, take a tour. Let's talk about some floor plans, talk about some homes, talk about your project. Let's build from scratch. Show me a piece of land. Let's get you all the things and build you a brand new Champion home. Thanks for watching. I'm the Mobile Home Mama.